Welcome back. In Excel, if you are using any number and if you wanted to use that particular numbers in a series, you can just click and fill series in the menu. So this will fill the series. The column is now filled in series. This is one way of filling the series. Suppose if you have a serial number and you wanted to fill the serial numbers in series, which is in ascending order, you can simply drag the cursor and select fill series. It will fill the numbers in series. So you don't want to enter 1, 2, 3 manually. Here is an example of how to fill the date in series. For example, if you have a date 01/01/2023, if you don't like this format, you can change the format of the date. Right click and click on Format Cell. Select the date and choose whichever format you like. For example, I like this format, which will be year, month and day. If I want to use the day continuously, I will drag the cursor and you can see the day has been filled continuously. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of Jan 2023. If you don't like this kind of format, if you want to use some other type of format like 01/02/2023, this is another format. Go to the format cells, select the format whichever you want. I want to use the format which says the month clearly, so January 2, 2023, month, day and year. If I want to use this particular day in a continuous fashion, drag the cursor to copy the formula and you will see the days are in sequence. It has populated the days in a sequential manner. Just delete date for January. Let us do one more example. If I have, let us do one more demo. If I have to pay bills month on month, every month on 10th, I have to pay some bills. Paper bill, electricity bill, water bill, and rental bill, and internet bills, and cable TV bills. So for all this, I'll be paying every month 10th. (10/01/2023). I will enter some amount for paper, for electricity 600, for water bill 900, for rent 20,000, for internet 1,000, for cable TV it is 1,000. If I drag the formula, or if I drag the month and try to fill in series, if you notice, it is not in a proper format. The days are in sequence. I wanted every month of 10th to be populated. The date what you are seeing is, it is the same month, which is 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th has been populated. The date what you are seeing is October 1st, 2023. And I wanted to change the format. Let me change the format. I will use this format. Since I pay bills every month of 10th, I will drag the cursor and see there is an option to fill months. You will see October, November, December. The months are in sequence, and every month 10th it has populated. And if I wanted to start from January, drag the dates once again and fill months. Now the format is perfect, and you have every month 10th has been populated. February 10th, March 10th. Likewise, you can copy the amount whatever you are paying per month, and you can update the bills whatever you have paid.